In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate through Microsoft's website to sign in and use OneDrive for sharing files effortlessly. Whether you're a seasoned veteran or new to the Microsoft ecosystem, this guide will provide you with all the necessary steps to make the most out of your Microsoft account. First, we'll start by accessing Microsoft's home page. Head over to the Microsoft website, where you'll find an array of products and services offered by Microsoft. It's a hub for all things Microsoft, from software updates to the latest in technology gear. Once you're on the Microsoft homepage, you'll notice a sign-in option at the top right corner of the page. Clicking this will lead you to the login portal, which is your gateway to accessing Microsoft's plethora of services. If you're already signed in, you may skip this part, but if you're not, let's proceed with the sign-in process. Now it's time to enter your Microsoft account credentials. Start by typing in your email address. This could be any email you've registered with Microsoft, including Outlook or even third-party email services, provided you've linked them to Microsoft previously. After you've input your email, click on Next to proceed. Following that, you'll be prompted to enter your account's password. Make sure to input your password correctly. If you've forgotten it, don't worry, Microsoft provides an easy way to reset it. Once you've entered your password, click on Next once again. At this stage, Microsoft may ask if you want to stay signed in. If you're using a personal and secure device, selecting Yes can save you from having to sign in each time you visit. However, if you're on a public or shared computer, it might be best to choose No for security reasons. After signing in successfully, you'll be taken back to the Microsoft homepage. Look for the option labelled All Microsoft to view all of Microsoft's products and services in one place. This is where you'll find OneDrive, Microsoft's cloud storage service that lets you save your files and access them from any device anywhere. Click on OneDrive and you'll be directed to the OneDrive homepage. If you're not already signed into OneDrive, click on the Sign In button to access your OneDrive account. It uses the same Microsoft credentials, so there's no need to enter them again if you're already signed into Microsoft. Once you're in OneDrive, click Go to Home, OneDrive, which will redirect you to your OneDrive dashboard, showcasing all your stored files and folders. To find a specific file, navigate through your files or use the search bar. When you've located the file you want to share, hover over it to see various options. Here you'll notice the three-dot icon, a universal symbol for more options. Clicking this will reveal a menu where you'll find the Share option. Selecting this option initiates the process to share your file with others. Upon clicking Share, you'll be presented with several sharing options. For this guide, we'll focus on generating a link to your file via the Copy Link option. This is a straightforward way to share access to your files with anyone, even those who don't have a Microsoft account. Click on Copy Link and Microsoft will automatically generate a unique URL for your file. Once the link is generated, you only need to click the icon to copy it. This action copies the link to your clipboard, ready to be pasted and shared in an email, message, or anywhere you wish. And that's it. You've now learned how to navigate Microsoft's website to sign into your account, access OneDrive, and share a file using a generated link. Remember, sharing files via OneDrive not only makes collaboration easy, but also ensures that your files are secured in the cloud. You can access them anytime from any device without the need to carry physical storage devices. For more tips and tricks on maximizing your productivity with Microsoft products and services, stay tuned to our channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful guides like this one. See you in the next video.